I got this True Glow Sonic Facial Brush Kit by CONAIR as a gift a couple months ago from my mom, and I have not opened it yet. So I thought I'd just do a little unboxing so you guys can see what it looks like. It actually came from Costco. I love that it's rechargeable. It came with 2 facial brushes and it has 3 speeds to it, and it's waterproof. And I like that it came with a little bag to put everything in it as well, just to keep everything together. So I can't wait to use this. If you guys are interested in seeing how it works when I'm doing a facial, just give this video a thumbs up or comment. I recently used a brush, and I used my Clean and Clear Advantage this day because I'm having a bad breakout. But this was my first time using the brush, so I applied my cleanser to the brush. I'm kind of thinking the next time I'm going to apply it to my face. This thing has some very strong power to it. I don't think I'll be able to use it on high or medium. I'm going to use it a couple more times and then I'll give you guys my thoughts on it. But you have this CONAIR True Glow brush. Let me know what you think about it down in the comments. I'd love to get your review on it as well. And yeah, that's it. Thumbs up.